Hello world. Today I'm giving you a quick behind-the-scenes look at how we build and run a crypto valuation and sentiment analysis system, from coding the core logic to seeing it live in action. Right now we're in utils.py, the engine under the hood. Here's what goes on. Pull coin data from CoinMarketCap, like price and market cap. Grab trading volume via CCXT, letting us measure annualized velocity. Integrate sentiment from our aggregator, blending Reddit and Google Trends. Generate an AI analysis with GPT-4 for a quick commentary. All of this merges in Analyze Crypto, returning a neat dictionary of metrics for the front end. Now let's see it in action through our basic dash interface. We enter XRP, click Analyze, and the app calls that Analyze Crypto function. AI-generated image. If conditions line up, we fetch a DALLE image that captures the overall sentiment, bullish, bearish, or mixed. Metrics display. You'll see price, market cap, circulating supply, velocity, sentiment score, and any difference between velocity-based valuation and the current price. AI analysis. Next, there's a AI summary referencing real-time data and market chatter. Interactive graphs. We've got two Plotly charts. A, price versus velocity to visualize trading activity. B, sentiment score versus valuation difference, revealing how sentiment impacts the token's perceived fair value. The Python scripts, the AI integrations, the dash front end come together in a neat open source package on GitHub. If you want to tweak the aggregator, add new indicators, or just show off your own velocity formulas, feel free to fork and send us a pull request, real-time insights, and AI power valuation. Thank you. Be sure to subscribe to the Labs 25 channel at youtube.com at 52SBAL.